Hi, and welcome to our weekly House Church Shepherd's Bible study. For a week of June 3rd, we'll learn about how Jesus calmed the storm. Bible passage, Mark chapter 4, verse 35 through 41, Luke chapter 8, verse 22 through 25. Our memory verse is, Lord, hear my prayer. Psalm chapter 86, verse 6. Mark wrote about what Jesus did so that people in the Roman Empire can know Jesus better. When Jesus was an adult, Jesus showed his power by doing wonderful things that helped people and perform many miracles. During this time, fishermen worked in boats on the Sea of Galilee, where Jesus began teaching. Because of the news of Jesus, large crowds of people gathered. Jesus taught about the kingdom of God by using many stories. One night, Jesus ordered his disciples to get a small boat ready for him. He said to them, "Let's go over the other side of the lake." They left the crowd. Jesus got on the boat with his disciples. Jesus lay down in the back of the boat and fell asleep. On this day, a fierce wind came down on the lake. The boat was rocking back and forth and creaking as large waves splashed. The men thought the boat was going under the water and was going to sink. The men thought they were going to die. They shouted, "We're all going to drown." The disciples went to where Jesus was sleeping. They desperately shook and woke up Jesus. They asked Jesus if he cared that they were all going to die. Jesus stood up and spoke to the waves and winds. He said, "Silence, be still." He commanded the storm to stop. The wind and waves were quiet now. Jesus asked his disciples, "Why were you afraid? Why didn't you believe? Do you still have no faith?" Everyone was terrified. They asked each other who this was. Our sharing key points. Jesus performed miracles because he is God's Son. Ask God for help.